Not sure how well. Holy crap, that thing is going nuts. There's a storm out there, which is pretty neat. I was just getting ready to go to bed, but maybe I won't be doing that. Wow. Holy moly. I think it's moving in, so I might be able to have some fun in like an hour or so. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, that was short-lived. It was going nuts a few seconds ago. Oh, here we go. Here comes the wind. It's kind of hard to see because there's just not really much to see. But that constant lightning is very impressive. I'm not going outside in this. I'll only worry about it potentially blowing open car windows or things like that. Of course, standing in front of a window while this is going on is not very smart. At any minute, that window could just get blown right out. Of course, that's what makes a viral video, so that's what we're after, isn't it? But, I wouldn't have even noticed this if I didn't happen to just briefly get up for a second. The thunder had stopped, and then all of a sudden it just got kind of rainy and rumbly. I don't know if there's hail in that, but it looks like there might be. Yeah, it's starting to kind of hit the window. Okay. 2 seconds ago, I just saw what looked like open rotation in that field. Of course, it's long gone now because it's moving way too fast, but this could yet be the real deal, unless it's... Oh man, unless that's what's off over there. Hard to say. I love it when I can do storm chasing without actually having to do any of the chasing. Of course, I'm looking at that, and I'm not worrying about what's beside it. Well, there's bits of crap flying around again. Oh yeah, there's circulation somewhere. You can see it. Standing in front of a window was not my smartest move. Whoa. It got eerily calm for a second. And then it morphed into this. So, I can't really tell where the base is anymore. I think we're looking right at it. Of course, there's really nowhere to run. I'm impressed that the warning siren has not gone off yet. I hope that's not the center of rotation. Because I'm telling you, that's a little close. And my judgment's not very good. In fact, my judgment is very bad. As evidenced by the fact that I'm sitting in front of a hotel window. Yep, there's emergency. Holy moly. God damn. How the hell do people sleep through this? That is a low base. I am a little concerned. Probably not as much as I should be. Probably should be booking it under the bed or into the bathtub. Well, Storm Prediction Center was saying that the odds of seeing a tornado weren't all that bad today. I think we may have seen one. Of course, like I said, it's not over. I don't know what's going on in front of the building. And I'm not about to leave the room. I would have to think that even if there was a tornado in any of this crap, that it'd be pretty weak sauce. Here comes the rain again. I think you could probably see it. Keep talking. Dumbass talks through a thunderstorm. And then the window blows out on him and the video goes viral. That's probably what'll happen. Should not do this. Don't do this. Yeah, I think this is probably the back half of the storm. That poor tree, you know? Shoo-wee. At least it's watertight. Oh god, what the hell is that? Are we inside the circulation? Some of this is probably made worse by the fact that this is mostly open country, so there's nothing to stop these winds. So at what point does the power get cut out? Should do like what I do back home, put the camera in the window and just go to bed. Let it capture it, but I don't want the phone to completely die because I kind of need it, you know? It's coming right at the window. Well, I'll tell you what, unless it does something more interesting, I'm probably just going to end the video with that, because this is about 16 minutes worth of video. And I'm sure that it's boring at this point. But, I mean, like I said, this is exciting to a northerner like me. Because storms like this just don't ever really happen where I come from. So, I think for the most part the interesting stuff has passed anyway. So, I don't think we'll call that good. I think that's probably a good video. So, how was that for a show?